In this video, I'm gonna run you through one of my best trades on Bitcoin at a 1 to 10. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and yeah, stay tuned. Right, in this screenshot, you can see it was actually I normally take a screenshot as soon as I enter, but I didn't this time. But I entered at that double top of the value area high of that box. As you can see, this is the session volume profile. You get the value area low, value area high, which is kind of acts as resistance. Point of control where the most volume was. This is a new day, so value area high plus the red SFP line at that high, which isn't at that high, but it should be at that high. Anyway, as you can see, failed to get above, double top, got below. I got below right on the entry. I entered right, just getting below for the perfect entry. Stop loss just above the high. Targeting PDA previous day value area low. So yeah. This was the weekend, so Saturday consolidation was immense. As in, the consolidation was consolidationing. But as you can see, this was a couple hours later. Just bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down at 2.1k. It's not showing here. Oh yeah, this is proof that I entered there, because look, that red line is just below that red line. So yeah, I entered there. Got the rise up to entry. Most people would have got scared, or at least the beginners. Oh my god, I'm at entry. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. Stop loss 1k from 2.2k to 1.2k. Just like that. Anyway, still targeting that 10k region at the PDVAL for 1 to 10. Eventually, we started breaking down. I had set an alert there saying breaking down. Got the alert, we started to break down, and then up 3.7, basically 3.8. Just look at that move. That entry was beautiful. The move was beautiful. And yeah, we just bound to come lower. That 618 that was there. If you don't know about Fibonacci, or get to know, 618, almost like a magnet. This is the 618 stretched out to the end. As you can see, we broke right through it, and then we retested it. 2 point. Okay, as you can see here, my stop loss is 1k, and profit was 3.7. When we got to 618, well, you can imagine what that could have been. That was a profit. I took profit, which is why my stop loss went down to 3.45. So I took about 2/3 profit, still leaving me open 2.5. Anyway, this is just too much math. Got the move. I moved my stop loss just above this high, just to secure the position. We finally got that move down to PDVAL. So close to my stop loss. I mean my take profit. These were the trades. Top. This one was the big 5k pretty much, and then just what was that? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.5k trade. Also, yeah, this is good. So these are the executions. That's when I entered, and I actually entered there, but anyway, rode the wave down, sold here. That's a take profit. Took some profit there, as we bounced off this 0.5 and got acceptance back above the 382. And then we got a massive move down below the 618, and we got the dead cat bounce. The line was drawn. That line was drawn for the dead cat bounce. Price likes to when that dead cat bounce is created, price likes to bounce away from it and then hit it and SFP it. As you can see, we got above it, got right back below it, came back up to retest it, couldn't get above it again. And I entered another trade. This time, half a position at $500 for the stop loss. Oh wait, no, wait. This is because I was already in this trade here, so it brought the average price down to just above there. Anyway, I went quite heavy on this, to say the least. Price moved down 2.8 from 1,000 and targeting the lows. Now this is the trade, came back down, became so close to that low and then bounced, but we eventually did hit it. This was the overall trade, a bit messy, but I was targeting these lows and the lows were finally hit. And yeah, this was the first trade. So pretty good weekend trade, can't really complain, can you? Simple dead cat bounce following the trend. The trend was obviously down. Yeah.